You asked for it and Accelatec delivered. This is the GT350R style steering wheel for your 2010 through 2014 Mustang. This Accelatec steering wheel is going to be a direct replacement for the factory wheel in your 2010 through 2014 Mustang. It features a genuine Ford hub, so it's going to fit just like the original and use your original trim and your original controls. It features alcantara suede and a leather build with a red centering stripe and contrast red stitching. For this installation, we need a 1/4 inch ratchet, 8mm socket, an extension, T20 Torx bit, T30 Torx bit, plastic pry bar, magnet, pick, 1/2 inch impact or 1/2 inch ratchet, and a 24mm socket. At the beginning of the installation, we're going to remove the steering wheel, so obviously we have to remove the airbag. So the first thing you want to do, disconnect your battery. Once you do that, there's 2 tiny little access panels on each side, and there's a bolt behind each one you remove to remove the airbag. A small little pick will make this easier. And then take them off both sides. Panels off, now we can remove the screws. And sometimes a small magnet makes these easier to get out. Again, the same on the other side. Okay, with the screws out, we can pop off the airbag and disconnect these 2 clips. There's going to be 2 tiny little tabs. You sort of squeeze them to remove it. Okay, the airbag off, we're going to remove this harness, push up on the clip. Then the last step, we're going to remove this bolt. You can pull out and remove your wheel. Okay, with the wheel out of the car, now we have to transfer some of the parts, including the trim and controls, over to our new wheel. We're going to start on the back by removing these 4 screws. Okay, now back up here on the front side of the wheel, we're going to move these 3 screws here to remove the horn pad. Next, we're going to remove the wiring harness. Push up these little tabs. And remove the ground at the bottom. Once you remove the harness, don't forget these little harness retainers. Then the last step is to remove the trim pieces and the switch. Now this part can be a little bit tricky. These things are only pressed in, but they can be kind of tight. What you want to do is either get a screwdriver and cover it with tape, or a plastic pry bar. Kind of work your way under the bottom here. Have to get it just right. You can sort of get a grip on it and pop it up. Okay, now we're going to install everything we took off our factory wheel onto our new Accelatec wheel. Now again, a reminder, this is a Ford hub, so everything we took off is going to fit just like original. Reinstalling the rear trim, just make sure everything lines up and it's behind the spokes like it's supposed to be. Sort of slide it down into place. And it's ready to go back on the car. All right, make sure this is straight. And we're gonna fish the wires through the top for the airbag and reinstall the wheel. Okay, I'm gonna plug in the harness. Make sure none of the wires are being pinched anywhere, and we can reinstall the airbag. The magnet makes it easy to get these screws started as well. Last step, reinstall the plugs. Okay, I want to reconnect the battery and your installation's finished. We know a lot of our 2010 through 2014 subscribers have been waiting for a GT350R style steering wheel for your 10 through 14, and now thanks to Accelatec, it's available. The installation, as you saw, is pretty straightforward. The trim's probably the hardest part, but overall it should take you no more than about an hour to an hour and a half, back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.